Well, Cardiff 2012, it's a camp based on sort of the Olympics, with an hour in the pool and then an hour out the pool, so getting dry side and aquatic side.
The project brief was to encourage more children to be more active more often. It runs during all school holiday periods. It runs every week, every day. It's pitched at ages from 8 to 16, which ties in with Welsh Assembly Government Free Swim Initiative guidelines.
Since Shannon's been swimming here, she's come along so much. She's like a little duck in water.
I was okay at swimming, now I'm great at swimming.
It runs right across the city in all our facilities.
Pool-wise, just did like synchronised swimming, volleyball, water polo, loads of fun relays. Just different to doing just football and rugby. It's a range of sports, so it's really good. Some days we've been doing arts and crafts with all the flags, the presentations. And other days then, if it's nice weather, we'll get them outside.
We do field athletics, which we have the equipment to do long jump, throw-in activities, hurdles.
Team sports like hockey, they're things they wouldn't really normally do.
It's really amazing. I mean, it's really entertained all the kids. I mean, she's just kept talking about it.
And it's just to get them involved, different sports, and really enjoying themselves, sort of coming down the centre, keeping up with the streets.
8.2.
First few weeks, we've had full attendance, and even the parents have come up to us and thanked us for it because they really enjoyed bringing their children here.
I think it's been excellent throughout the summer holidays. It's just been brilliant, something for the children to do.
A lot of children are not partaking enough in sport, so obviously this is helping them. And a lot of the children have come back, not for 1 week, they've come back the following week and even the third week. So they really enjoyed doing it.
I like the pool because we always play basketball and stuff, and I like water polo and I like that kind of stuff.
It's wonderful to watch so many children being involved in so many different activities and trying their hand at things that they normally wouldn't do. I think they enjoy being part of a team.
Beautiful.
They know that they're earning points for their team, and at the end of the week, they will be presented with medals.
They all come in shy the first day. By the end of it, they're all best friends and they all know each other and they're all working well as a team, so they're all basically cheering each other on, and that's building their confidence up then.
It's the first time we've had Olympic torchbearer here, so that was really exciting for the kids.
You can just see by watching what they've been up to today, they've all thoroughly enjoyed it.
Mexico.
I think the leisure centres have just come out of themselves really and just really pushed it, and it's been a great opportunity.
If the kids are enjoying themselves and having fun, then normally we are as well.
Hey, of course I gave you an 8. In fact, I'd have given you a 10 if I could have.
She loves it. She's ready, her bag packed every morning, ready to go.
Great feedback from the parents, so I hope long may it continue.
It's great.
It's been an amazing opportunity for all those to sort of take on board the legacy of the Olympics, to be involved in sort of grassroots sports, to try things and just enjoy sport in general.
The best thing about Cardiff 2012 is fun.